What if I told you there are AI tools that can help you make money online faster, easier, and with way less guesswork? Not by magic, not by pressing one button, but by helping you create content, find opportunities, design products, and turn attention into income. And in this video, I'm going to show you 5 AI tools that help you make money online. These are tools you can use for faceless YouTube, digital products, freelance services, affiliate marketing, and online business in general. But stay with me, because the last tool is the one most beginners overlook, and it might be the most valuable one on the list. A lot of people think AI means easy money. It doesn't. What AI really gives you is speed. It helps you move faster than the person who is still overthinking, still researching, and still waiting for the perfect time to start. And online, speed matters, because the person who tests 10 ideas usually beats the person who spends 3 weeks planning one. So, let's get into the first tool. ChatGPT is the tool most people know, but most people still use it the wrong way. If you only use it to ask random questions, you are barely scratching the surface. The real money is in using ChatGPT to create things that save time, solve problems, and help you sell. You can use it to write YouTube scripts, generate content ideas, build email sequences, write product descriptions, create blog outlines, draft sales pages, and even help you build a freelance offer from scratch. For example, if you want to start a side hustle, you can ask ChatGPT to help you create a service package, a pricing plan, a client pitch, and a delivery checklist. That means you can go from "I don't know what to sell" to having a real offer in one session. And if you want to make money with content, ChatGPT can turn one idea into a YouTube script, 5 short-form hooks, a social post, a newsletter draft, and a lead magnet outline. That is how creators move faster than everybody else. Best ways to make money with it include freelance writing, content creation, affiliate marketing, digital products, email marketing, coaching, and sales outreach. But if ChatGPT helps you create the words, the next tool helps you create the visuals. If you want to make money online, you need something people can actually see. That could be thumbnails, ebooks, social media graphics, presentations, printable templates, or digital downloads. Canva makes that process much easier. Its AI features help you generate designs, text layouts, image edits, and content variations fast. That matters because a lot of online income comes from packaging information in a visual way. For example, you can create resume templates, Instagram content packs, ebook covers, YouTube thumbnails, checklists, planners, and worksheets. Here's the thing. People do not just buy information, they buy presentation. If your design looks clean and professional, people trust it more. And that makes Canva one of the easiest tools for beginners to use for income. You do not need to be a graphic designer. You need to be useful. Best ways to make money with it include selling templates, creating content for clients, designing thumbnails, building digital products, and making lead magnets for businesses. Now let's move to the tool that can help you create content without ever showing your face. This is where faceless content gets powerful. An AI video tool can help you turn text into videos fast. That means you can turn a script into a full video, add stock footage, generate subtitles, create short clips, and publish content consistently. And consistency is one of the biggest reasons some channels grow, while others die before they ever take off. A lot of people never make money because they burn out before they build momentum. But with an AI video tool, you can create more content in less time and test more ideas without draining yourself. That matters because video is one of the best ways to earn online through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, lead generation, product sales, and service promotion. You could build a faceless channel around AI tools, personal finance, side hustles, productivity, business tips, or online income. Then you use that content to build an audience and monetize later. Even if you never become a full-time YouTuber, video can still help you sell digital products, consulting, courses, or affiliate offers. Best ways to make money with it include faceless YouTube, short-form content pages, affiliate videos, promo videos for businesses, and UGC-style content without showing your face. And once you have attention, the next tool helps you turn that attention into sales. This tool is powerful because online money often comes down to one thing: words that make people act. That could mean clicking a link, buying a product, booking a call, joining an email list, or signing up for a service. And most beginners are bad at writing sales copy. They say too much, explain too little, and never make a clear offer. That is where AI copy tools come in. They can help with product descriptions, landing pages, ad headlines, email sequences, call to action wording, and sales messages. If you sell anything online, this matters. Even a small improvement in copy can mean more clicks, more leads, and more sales. For example, if you are selling an ebook, a guide, a template pack, a coaching session, or an affiliate product, better copy can directly increase your income. You can also use this tool for client work. A lot of small businesses need help writing website copy, social posts, email campaigns, promotions, and offers. So this tool can help you make money in two ways. First, by improving your own business. Second, by offering copywriting as a service. Best ways to make money with it include freelance copywriting, landing pages, email marketing, sales pages, ad copy, and product descriptions. Now, the fifth tool is the one that helps you find opportunities before everyone else does. That starts with an AI research tool. You can quickly explore trending topics, study competitors, find content gaps, identify profitable niches, compare tools, and validate ideas before wasting time. That is huge for creators, freelancers, and online business owners. Let's say you want to start a YouTube channel. Instead of guessing, you can research what topics are getting attention, what videos are performing well, what people are asking for, and what angle is not being covered enough. Or, if you want to sell a service, you can research what businesses are already paying for, what their pain points are, and what solution you can offer. This tool saves time and helps you make smarter decisions. And in online business, smart decisions beat random effort. Best ways to make money with it include niche research, content strategy, competitor analysis, product validation, trend spotting, and offer research. But the real power happens when you combine these tools instead of using just one. Here is a simple workflow. First, use the research tool to find a profitable niche or topic. Then, use ChatGPT to generate ideas, scripts, or offer copy. Use Canva to create the visuals, thumbnails, or digital products. Use the video tool to create faceless content. And use the copywriting tool to turn attention into clicks and sales. That is a full system. For example, you could research a popular niche, make 10 faceless videos, send viewers to an ebook, affiliate link or service, build an email list, and repeat what works. That is how people go from zero to income, not by chasing every AI tool, by building a system around one result. The biggest mistake people make is tool hopping. They spend all day testing AI apps and never actually publish anything. That does not make money. Using one tool consistently does. So instead of asking, "What is the coolest AI tool?" ask, "What can I create, publish, and sell this week?" That question leads to action, and action leads to results. If you want to make money online in 2026, AI can absolutely help. But the winners will not be the people who know the most tools. The winners will be the people who know how to combine research, content, design, writing, and consistency. That is why these 5 tools matter. If I were starting from scratch today, I would choose one niche, one content format, and one monetization method. Then, I would use AI to move faster than everybody else. Because once you can create faster, research faster, and sell better, you do not just use AI. You build with it. Build with AI. Don't just browse it.